At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, December 19, 2022, why Bed Bath & Beyond stock just hit a 21st century low? This new low could be one of the final nails in this fallen meme stock's coffin. Bed Bath & Beyond is truly testing its investors. The company's share prices just hit a new low for the century. A quick look at the retailer's many problems reveals why. Just when investors think Bed Bath & Beyond, Nasdaq BBBY, can't fall any further, it proves them wrong. To say this year has been difficult for the retailer would be an understatement. Even with multiple noteworthy surges, Bed Bath stock is still down more than 81% for the year. But today brought some of the worst news yet when Bed Bath & Beyond hit its lowest price not just of the year but of the century. At the current price of $2.80, Bed Bath stock reached its low level in 29 years, since 1993. As bleak as this looks, it's far from the only problem facing the company. And it's giving investors cause to run the other way. Let's unpack the important issues pushing the stock down today and examine what investors can expect as it moves forward. What's happening with Bed Bath stock? Bed Bath & Beyond began trading on the Nasdaq in 1992. As noted, it traded at roughly $2.80 around July 1993 before rising and continuing to climb. In fact, the stock wouldn't dip by too much until the events that sparked the stock market crash of 2008. It recovered from that plunge, but this year, things don't look so good. Hitting a century low is hardly the worst of the problems pushing Bed Bath stock down. Financial commentator Jeff Mack tweeted the following earlier today. Bed Bath & Beyond making 21st century lows. They're going to need more call to action parties for suppliers. As Mack highlights, the company is under tremendous strain. It has been dealing with supply chain problems for weeks as it struggles to keep shelves stocked for the holiday shopping season. Leading up to Black Friday 2022, the Wall Street Journal reported that more than 40% of the retailer's inventory was out of stock. According to DataWeave, the analytics firm supplying this data, that number has almost doubled since the year's first half. In September 2022, the company announced plans to close 150 stores across the U.S. But since then, even more reports of stores shutting down have surfaced, often in popular areas such as New York City and Silicon Valley. Closing numerous stores doesn't seem to be helping its inventory problems, though. Additionally, the Wall Street Journal has reported that in October, the company's bondholders moved to organize out of concern for Bed Bath's future. As the outlet noted, bondholders are wary about a potentially coercive exchange deal that raises new secured debt but weakens other creditors' claims on Bed Bath & Beyond's assets, people familiar with the matter said. These concerns were driven primarily by declining sales and inventory problems, two things that have only gotten worse in the months since this news broke. The bottom line. Another factor that stands to push Bed Bath stock down even further is the fact that fellow retailer Big Lots recently announced plans to close down a significant number of stores, casting further doubt over the future of Bed Bath & Beyond's industry. On top of it all, the company is still facing a class action lawsuit stemming from investor Ryan Cohen's role in the short squeeze of August 2022 that sent Bed Bath stock up only to see it crash. This meme stock had already given investors plenty of reason to sell before it hit a low for the century. But today's news should be a good reminder that the stock is only destined to fall further. A market turnaround won't help a company with no growth prospects.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.